Hey guys, this is Bernie. So today I'm going to show you how to create something like this. I will show you how to create this long shadow. There's different ways of doing this, but the way I'm going to show you is the easiest and the fastest way, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and create a new document. Let's go to File, New. Let's set that to 1000 width, 1000 height, resolution 782, and make sure the background is white, okay? Click OK there. And let's go ahead and grab the text tool. Today we're going to be using Transformers font. If you guys want to use the same font, I will add the link below this video so you guys can download it. Alright, and then the font size is 500 point. Make sure the text color is black. And let's start typing. So I'm going to make this all caps. PS. And just center your text. Put that right there, okay? And then I'm gonna go to edit and select define brush preset. Okay, let's name that PS, and then we're gonna come back to the brush tool. I'm gonna select the brush tool and go to the brush section here, and let's go ahead and choose the PS brush that we just created, and then here let's make sure that's set to 1%. Let's close that out. Let's create a new layer, bring that layer below this one, and we're ready to do the shadow. Alright, so this is important. As you can see, I have the brush selected and I have the right brush here selected, but it's not giving me the brush that I want to see. That's because I have my caps lock on my keyboard. So if you have that on your keyboard, make sure you turn it off. When I turn it off, now it's giving me the shadow that I want to see. Okay, so place your shadow in a good position here, in a good place, and that looks good there. So click, and then bring it like right over here. And then before this is important, before you do the second click, make sure you press shift. So shift and then click. Okay, that gives you a straight line. All right, so here we're gonna go ahead and select this layer, double click on that, and let's change the color to white. Okay, white. And then here we're gonna bring the opacity to 40%, and now we can go ahead and change the background. So let's grab the bucket tool, grab a color here. I'm gonna use this color, and oh, that's the wrong color. Okay, so that's actually the wrong layer, so we can just go undo that, and then let's make sure you choose the background color or the background layer. Okay, and there you guys have it. So that's it. That's how we create this long shadow. That was easy, fast, and quick. Okay, if you guys like this video, if it helped you in any way, please make sure you subscribe, like it, and comment. Alright, thank you. See you next time.